Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to auto-add users to groups after changing users' organization unit with X-Fanatical Foresight. In Google Workspace, moving a user to a different organizational unit doesn't automatically update their group memberships. Doing this manually is time-consuming, error-prone, and slows down productivity. That's where X-Fanatical Foresight comes in. X-Fanatical Foresight automation instantly adds users to the right groups after an OU change, eliminating manual work, reducing errors, and ensuring smooth, efficient user management. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into X-Fanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Auto Add to Groups after changing users' OU template, and click on it. In the Templates page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Auto Add to Groups after changing users' OU will display. In the Edit Trigger screen, configure the new organization unit field to specify the target OU. When a user is moved to this OU, they should be automatically added to the designated groups. Optional, configure present organizational unit and primary email for more specific rule restrictions, or just leave them empty. Click on the Next button. In the Add Group Member Actions, configure the group email field with a new group email address to which the user will be added. Click on another Add Group Member Actions from the rule diagram, and add more groups detail. Optional, in Add Group Member screen, click on the Add icon to add more group details. To remove extra Add Group Member Actions, click on Delete Current Action button. Click on the Review button. In the Review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Change the organizational unit of a user from Google Admin Console. Now go back to X-Fanatical Foresight and check for notifications. Once received, open it and click on View Log button on successful execution of automation rule. In the log, you can see user email, organizational unit, and groups where users have been added. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.